Hello, this is Feras. Today is the 10th of December 2018 and it is 6:07 a.m. Nevada, and we are going to continue with website. We are building a website for a website designer, and we are building that according to uh, the idea of a website is a solution for how many new clients by the next hour. How a website is a solution for how many new clients by the next hour, and we are solving just only one thing. What we solve is how to generate the lead. One, generating the lead. Two, maybe introductory letter. It's depending on your sales culture. Maybe then the call, then the meeting. What we are going to do is we are going to make the request a call back, like the one who is interested or not interested, the one who is looking to solve his situation with your help and services as a website designer is expecting do expect that there is a call from your side, since he did provided that information, his phone number, his name, and maybe his email. Okay, now we did reach that level, and see that mobile. Where's Mobilize? Where's Mobilize? I'm looking for Mobilize now. We did see that. Good. Now the idea here, we will send the English. Okay, here's the website designer. I know why website designer. Now I'm going to put my name and email and phone, and this thing here for a sales agent is generating a lead. Good. Here's somebody, we call this person a sales agent. Maybe he's a telesales, maybe he's a telemarketer, I have no idea. Maybe he is somebody who is doing meetings, okay, an outdoor sale. Okay, but here's the name, here's an email, here's a phone number, and this call to action is send a call back request. Call me. This mean call me. Okay, the second one is request a call back there, and here's a call. I will call you. Good. Now I do expect that you are an expert consultant. The point that you are going to sell me something without doing any analysis from your side, we are in trouble. Okay, so the trouble here that I don't need your help. You are going to sell me something that I really don't need. Now this person doesn't do provide only website solution, website design and development solution, and that is website design and development, e-commerce solution, logo creation, graphic design, content management, blog, blah blah, all of this. Good. These are the skills that he have: e-publication, marketing materials, and other IT solutions. So this person here can talk to you about that. Okay, so he do expect that you are in the state of mind. Okay, what is social media advertising? When? Why? So he is educated on these skills, and this is the how, and you get the why. The idea that now here's somebody have to communicate his why, so we make sure that we are going to provide him, for example, for a logo creation service. Okay, now where is that? That usually happen with a meeting. I would ask you some question. I will have an empty paper and a pen, and I'll ask you some question. I will understand what is your present situation. I will solve it. Okay, I will build it for you. Good. Now the first sales matrix, this person have two sales matrix. You see, here's a huge thing of sales matrix, and also he have another one. He have another thing. Okay, I need to have his website. Okay, call 77. Come on, I need to have his website. I don't have. Good. Where's the call? Here's that. I need to reach this. I don't know why is his website. So this was a sales training. We did find a website that we can update okay, need really an update. Now this was the website. I didn't, yeah, what to do. Okay, now here's client website about and everything here. Like this is what he do. Client website about and litigation and support. Now this person do website development and litigation support. Now if you like, let me explain what he's doing. Now he's doing the generating the lead part. Like, okay, here's a sales agent, okay, and this is marketing team. Good, marketing team providing value. And now we are going to, now just a second. Public relation providing values, marketing team providing values. Okay, the expected that we are going to have a lead. Okay, the system that going to handle that, we call that a website solution. Where is that? Here it is, name, email, phone. Okay, now here's my public relation, here is my marketing team, adding value, communicating every idea with request to call back, every idea, every new idea or every added value is communicated with that. We did provided access to people who can help you. These people here are the sales. Good. Now this person doesn't have just one program. He have website development, and as you can see here, services list. He have a lot of things: website design, e-commerce solution, logo creation, graphic design, all of these things. At some point he decided to say, okay, logo creation, graphic design is what I do. Okay, and this thing. Now the content that I have about the website solution is this. I did have it. Now the second one, just a second. The second one, we have the support thing. Now if you said, but this is legal support thing. Good, but just a second. Okay, now this is the website part. Good. There's another part here, we call it Microsoft, we call it Microsoft Office thing. Okay, come on, like there's the office work. Okay, there's the paper services. Here's the paper service. What is that? There's some legal thing. Now presenting the information here is done through PowerPoint, is done through Office, is done through Excel, is done through Dialog, is done. Good. We describe that as custom. Here's a term. This is one of the most important terms to understand. Custom presentation. Custom. I believe, like, I don't know how to type it. Like custom presentation, like special presentation. Now the presentation part, okay, since I have a computer, I can create that. Like if you said, okay, why computer presentation? Okay, where is the presentation? Presentation is prospecting, 1, like is that, 2 and 3. Prospecting, presenting. Okay, prospecting, presenting. Okay, and sale. After that, sale. Now we describe this as why to do business. Oh, okay, I'm going to do business. I describe this business. I'll call this thing is business presenting. Okay, the presentation part here is done and is done. Now just hold your thing. Now the presentation do mean a lot of things to a lot of people. The presentation do mean a lot of things to a lot of people. Now if you said presenting for a sales agent, he will understand. If you said marketing, he will understand. If you said public relation, he will understand. If you said, they will understand what is a presentation. Good. If you did ask them why a computer, they have no idea why. Okay, now the presentation part, we have system. This is a system. Okay, now if I do have this system for presentation thing, okay, I will have a proposal. I do expect a proposal here. I do expect a proposal. Proposal. Okay. Now I do expect this proposal, and that is my presentation for this person. Okay, that is my presentation for this person with his present situation. Presentation and present situation. Okay, situation. Good. So this person here did say, okay, no system, I'm going to use the system part thing. I will help you with the proposal part, okay, as a website designer. Good. That's what he do. It's not the support here, it's not the support on the system, the support that like here's these services. No, this is my list of things that I do, 1 2 3 4. I don't know how he do communicate that, like he's a sales agent is going to communicate all of these programs together. Okay, I don't know, I have no idea. Okay, but now this person said, okay, here's another list of services. Let's see that now. Here's another list of services and all of these things, and okay, come on, and there's something. Okay, now here's the sales agent. Okay, come on, just a second, let me have this notepad. Here's another sales matrix, but I don't know, legal thing. Okay, and this thing, and facts and thing. Okay, and this thing, and this thing. Okay, and this thing. Okay, I believe he is in DVD CD duplication, other legation service. Okay, now just a second. You are a website designer. Okay, now let me get back to what I'm trying to communicate here. Okay, now all of this is about something. Okay, so here's this website design and development part, but here's another part. Here's legation bar. I don't know how to have legation support and blah 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 services when your caseload demands IT. Okay, now just a second. Okay, now just let me have this line. Okay, now good. Now this is paperwork. Okay, this is paperwork. Good. Now this is a paperwork. Here's legal part. What is this? Is a paperwork. Is a paper. Here's files. All of that is paper services. Here's an accountant. This is paperwork. Here's an IT. It is 70% paperwork, 30% keyboard. Right? 70% paperwork, 30% keyboard. Okay. Good. Now this person said, okay, litigation support and paralegal services when your case load demands IT. Good. Amazing. So he is using what we have, like here's a whiteboard and now it's digitized. Okay, he do that, and he have something demands IT like this. When your case load demands IT, there's some information technology part. Here's the information and here's the technology part. Okay, and we are the one, like this person is on that. Good. Here's his list of services. Okay, good. Now we are going to communicate all of these, the situation for the marketer. Now here's the situation of the marketer. This marketer, he said, okay, website, e-commerce and information technology solution, said, okay, request a call back and we are going to have that thing, and a call, we are going to have that thing. Okay, now this is IT part. Now in services, now this is the IT, this is the marketing part. Like, I don't know how to describe it. This is testing ideas, this is rendering, oh boy, rendering rendering. We call this the industry of rendering IDs. Okay, we are rendering IDs. What is the output here? I do expect physical, and I do expect financial. The financial part is logo creation, graphic design, content maintenance, blog creation, all of this. We call this marketing plan. Rendering IDs, and we are in marketing. We are putting the right product at the right price for the right person at the right time with the right why. Okay, there's putting a lot of things. There's a term, putting thing, but this is what we do. We are putting what we do. We are putting the right product at the right price at the right place at the right time. Good. Now this person said, here's a Google. Here's Google. This person said, draw a line. This person said, okay, I can work on this thing. Okay, I can do something here for presenting this thing. What he said here. Okay, he have a digital product thing. That digital product is this thing. I have no idea. And this thing, and this thing. Well, to learn more, call us. Okay, good. So this idea here can be here. Good. So this person here on internet thing, on internet part, this thing, okay, which is at the end a paper. Okay, and this paper, it's about name, phone number, okay, and name and phone number or address or an address. Okay, the idea here, we are going to have a meeting to discuss and to learn more about what this person can do, okay, or sell it. The second idea here, he said customer presentation, the custom part, like here's the presentation. Well, that is sales manager thing, like here sales engineering part. Like I'm going to do the presentation itself. I will say, here's the presentation. Hi, this is Feras, and I will start typing the text. Okay, and something like that. Now, usually they have systems. Okay, here's a system for the presentation. I will have the presentation here. Okay, I will print it. Okay, I will put the information, that the income, blah blah blah, and I will end up with a proposal. Good. That will be the system. Now this person is going to use Microsoft Word, blah 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 blah, to help them. I have no idea what it is about. Good, but the pain here is not clear. Litigation support and parallel services when your caseload demands IT. I have no idea what he's talking about. So for me, the pain is not clear. Now, but I have to have a call to action. His call to action was contact us. Nothing more, nothing less. That all of his services was call us back or contact us. Now he have some presentation here. Okay. Now this usually done by a marketer. This usually done by by sales agent have an opinion, marketing have an opinion, and public relation have an opinion. These three people here. Now the point that to communicate this idea as a mission, okay, public relation have an opinion. They might have an opinion on the place, okay, and they might say, okay, let's have a website. Now marketing have an opinion on the daily added value. They have some value to build somewhat for rendering this idea. Okay, and also we have sales, and they have an idea and they have an opinion. So there's three people here should be expert on communicating this. Okay. Now for example, here's Microsoft. If he do use Microsoft, here's Microsoft. When they describe Office, here's an Office thing. When they describe Office, what will you do with your next 365? With Office, you have 365 days ahead. You fill with endless possibility, and start now. Now for home and for business. See, this is Microsoft level. They are going to they did build Office, okay, for the customer presentation. The customer presentation mean income. Why? Because I do have this system that will build the proposal for me. Okay, now for presenting this proposal, good. Now we have a new customer. Good. This is the theory. Good. And this be for business, like we have no idea what it is about. Okay. Good. Now to the point, you can describe this person here on generating a lead, okay, on building a virtual place, like, okay, generating a lead. Now the funny part for me, like what I don't understand is this. He did describe himself as a website services. This is the pain that he solved. Now if you did look here, where would you look? Where would unbelievable. Edit. If I did look here, I would say, okay, clear pane and open graph protocol, this part. Good. So the landing page here, well, am I looking for somebody with an idea or somebody with an improvement, and he is going to test that idea? Good. So my open graph here for pushing the marketing, since this is a place for pushing the marketing. Now let me see something. Come on, I want to see the source code, your source code. Can I see it? Amazing, thank you very much. Now this metadata here, okay, when we reach point 6, okay, what is the situation? Well, I have an idea, to structure, which is HTML file, what we are looking at, structure, and also CSS file, design, okay, and JavaScript as animation. What we did see as this image is changed from this image to another image, animation. Okay, and fifth we have programming. The programming part is to save the first name, last name, and phone number, for example, so we have access on the client. We did with the clear pane, we did have the need. Now for the cash part or the payment method, okay, now the person, this is a human being with the state of mind what it is about. Don't assume to sell him anything, sales agent. Here's your lead, okay. Don't go to that location, okay. Don't present, don't talk, don't listen from him. Figure out his present situation, what he suffer from. Maybe he's looking for some improvement in his already system. Good. Now here in point 6, good, we have pull marketing. So this person is a value, and he is providing values daily basis, since he did said, okay, I'm going to use this internet thing. Good. Now push marketing. Good. When we reach this level, okay, this person idea will say, okay, hold your horses, okay. At what you are focused? Are you focused on the customer presentation part, or are you focused like you're focusing as this thing? Okay. Why? Because you have two sales matrix. What does that mean? You see, there's public relation, okay, marketing, and sales. Okay. Now the team here, and another public relation, marketing, and sales. Okay. Now when we reach the push marketing part, okay, and when we reach the pull marketing part, there's a lot of work. Like, you should pick an idea, like where to be, like what the thing that make money for you, Well, okay, I don't care. I said marketing. I do have this idea and that idea. What do you think? If we have customer here and customer here, we will welcome them indoor. Well, this is your business thing. Well, this is my business thing. I don't have sales, I don't have marketing, and I don't need public relation. Okay? Why would I need public relation? Why would I need marketing team? Why would I need sales team? Well, all of this equal income. Equal income. That, and there is another here, equal income. Equal income. And the level is that you are like the business level that he did rise of funding, for example. Okay, he did rise of funding. This person, he did rise of funding, and he did rise for this thing. He did rise funding. Okay, that is the situation. Good. That is the next block. All of this is going for, we're going for funding. Why would they say yes for you? Well, this is why would they say yes. You are an asset. Your business now is an asset. We did added the asset team part. Okay, but are you a liability as a production? That is the question. Good. Now, when we did reach this situation, let me draw it. Let's figure out how to solve it for this person. This person have two ideas. Okay, and there's two audience. He is looking for lawyer, I don't know, maybe lawyer as a customer, and he is looking for constructive thinker. This is my customers are constructive, thinkers, improver, constructive thinker, development departments. Okay, individuals. Okay, checklist, list, mastermind group, this is my customers group. Okay, fired from my work, my job. Okay, okay. So these are okay. Fired from my job. Well, corporate downsizing. Okay. Well, I want to retire. Okay. I'm looking for a business, doing a business. I want to retire with this idea, with this good idea. Okay, so these are the people who are my customers. These people here are on public relation, marketing, and sale. At some point, PR did decided that this person is going to use the pages of the website, the pages of the book, the pages of the website, the pages of the pages on the street. Okay, newspapers, books. I don't know. Okay, he did decided that okay, for marketing, we are going for a virtual place to render this idea, and pull marketing is two tab: push marketing and pull marketing. Good. Now hold it a little bit. We are going to reach the constructive thinker. We are going to reach development department. We are going to reach individual checklist. Okay, we are going to do that within the 3 miles. Here's the sales. We are going to do that with 3 miles. Okay, good. Now for this idea, I'm going to reach the lawyer. Okay, here's public relation, here's marketing, and here's sales. Okay, now sales is trained on something. My sales team is trained. Okay, did you get the idea here? Good. Now his sales matrix is unbelievable. Like, see how many programs here? Here's the programs. I don't know now, but at the end he will say okay, office. I do use Office, or I do use, come on, I do use PowerPoint, and I use, do you see this screen here? We call it the projector and blah blah blah. This hardware, and this is presentation here. See the file? I do that. Okay. Now in other words, okay, do you see this computer? Here's a computer. Now this, I believe this person is talking about the RAM, and here is talking about the CPU, maybe, I don't know, digital page numbering, and DVD CD duplication. Now this is, I don't know why he's talking about. Okay, so his idea here, regulation support, and that when your case load demand IT, he's talking to somebody is on that place. Okay, now if I, just a second, if I did provided this here, okay, the person here will be amazed. Now to the point, we are going very well with this person, like, okay, I like you, you like me, okay, we like each other. Okay, he's a website designer. Good. I did Google this thing. Okay, I did Google this thing, and I'm looking for a website designer. Okay, good. He have a sales matrix. Just a second, take it easy on me. Okay, you are IT person, like you create nice logos. You know how to code and connect to databases and retrieve information and do things. Okay, great. This is the person that I'm looking here, and I'm going to ask the state of mind here. Listen, what it is about. Okay, it's a lead, right? Okay, it's a virtual place, right? You can do it. Okay, start doing this for this idea. Render it. Good. Advise my marketing team. Advise my sales team. Advise my sales team, marketing, blah blah. These people should have a training now. These people should have a training. Who's the this person? Who's this? This person. This is training. Okay, I can recommend that. Okay, personally, but I don't know about him. Good. So there is a story. there is how to describe it. There's a business design. Like, here's somebody who were fired from a business, his business, and he is going to make income. Okay, good. What's the type of the entity? Who can I help that person now? Okay, now what is the type, like how to pick his team? He will ask you, like, now, not just the page, not just the marketing page. Okay, good. Now I'm just a website designer, and I'm going for this next page. Create a new page. Okay, here's a page. Okay, now this page is about his legalization and support services thing. Come on. I need this number. Okay. Now I just started this to communicate these IDs. Okay. Here's his new idea. End. Okay. Now where's the complete bar, man? He didn't complete it. It's a long. Okay. I want this bar. Okay, now let me see the title here. Really? Are you serious about this live? And I want his number now. Okay, thank you. Let me see this. Like if it is unbelievable. Good. Okay, now here's the page. I already created a new landing page for this idea. Here's my work. This is what I would advise. Good. If you do things now, I need a video. Good. Like what this person is, what it is about thing. Good. Now how to communicate his sales matrix. Well, you see, this even better. I need this thing. How to communicate his sales matrix, like to tell them about that. Well, that will be the contact part again. Contact part, and I have no idea. Okay, and this have to be shared. Okay, now we are on the same, like we are on that. Here's a footer. This page have a footer, right? No, it doesn't have a footer. Okay, now to the point. Here's the idea. Here's the contact forum part. Here's the share. I don't need this. Remove it. Good. Okay, now I want to have this idea here. Litigation support. Okay, now just a second. Okay. Okay, here's this thing. Services. Now, good. That's it. Now this well, you said contact us, and I will say request a callback. I will say request a callback. Now this they type it usually request a callback. Okay, send forum callback. Now here is this part. Now this part a little bit our list of services. List of services of okay. Good. Now I'm going to go there on this page and have a line. On this line, arrange an appointment to learn more by our expert consultant and figure out our help on that. Good. So a little bit here, our marketer started to help this person to communicate these two ideas. Okay, both of these two ideas, IT can do it. Good, I understand that. Oh, just a second. Why did here? How did I describe it here? How I did describe that? Okay, and region. Yep. This is with the title. All of this is with the title. All of this is with the title. Keep it title. Don't forget. Here's that. Okay. Now this is going to be. Yep. Thank you very much. And now I need this. Okay, I need this. There's a space. Thank you very much. And I'm going for this as a text. I want this to be text. Good. And I want this to be like this. This to be like this. Good. Paralegal services. We are in the right place. I don't want him to type anything. I want name and email and phone. Okay, now why you are calling? What is the reason? Okay, if you have, I don't need the message. Okay, good. Arrange a meeting. This is for arrange a meeting. Arrange a meeting. Now arrange a meeting. an appointment. Arrange an appointment. Okay, so I want to have an appointment here. Push the call back, arrange an appointment. In the middle here, I have no idea. I don't like when your case. I have no idea like what is this person is talking about. So I will do the pull marketing trick. Okay. Okay, I will have this thing, and I will have this thing. Good, good, and I will communicate his IDs. I need 2 buttons. I will communicate his 2 IDs. I need 2 buttons. Where's your 2 buttons? Come on. There's 2 buttons at somewhere. Here's 2 buttons. Okay. Good. Now this call to action is cool. Cool. Good. Here's a call. Call this person. The second one is request a call back. Okay. So here the lead for me as a marketer is being do have a call to action. Okay. Now here's the call to action. Here's his script for the call to action. From where I did have it, I did copy paste it. Let's think. I have no idea what he's talking about, but he's trying to have a customer, and here's his own words, and he's talking to some lawyer people. Okay, and he's looking for lawyers to help them with the presentation part. Okay, now just a second. I'm looking for this line. Okay, and I'm looking for this to be up there. Okay. Okay, I don't know what he's talking about. Okay, now I do understand every word that he said. Okay, here's the title, but I need this thing. Okay, come on. I did make a mistake. Okay, this should be copy paste here. This is his words, his description, his content marketing part. Not me, not my opinion. It says, oh, Control and Z. I didn't make a mistake. I didn't read it. And support this thing. Careful. Thank you very much. Okay. Good. Now, so we don't want to damage our content of a story. Let me repeat a little bit. We have a financial statement. Here's the financial statement. Okay. Here's the income statement. Here's the balance sheet. Okay. Here's the balance sheet. Good. Now I have asset. I have liabilities. I have expenses, and I have income. Good. The one who's going to do the income for me are 3 people and more. Okay, but public relation or private relation, marketing, and sales. Okay, good, and sales. Now, just a second. In marketing today, we have virtual places. Good. These virtual places, we test ideas with it. Why would we test an idea? Because we have to output from that. Even we have a new generated lead, okay, we have a new data, or we have money. That's why I would do that. I have a lead, okay, or I have money from that lead, or I did have money from that lead. This means I did help this person. Now here I'm not help for this person. Good. Great. Now who's going to create this income for me? Not the website, it's the sales team. Good. Great. Now this person here do that, do the virtual marketing, but also he do use software and hardware. So he said, okay, why would I not, why I don't help people to build the uh, the presentation, like their paperwork. He said that. For him, he said, okay, legal support, litigation support, and I do website, I do websiting, I do render IDs, I do help in rendering IDs and generating leads from it. Good, good. Now this is his idea. Okay, but he didn't do it with. Now this also this is a trouble. He didn't do it with a system. Here's a system. Did you get what I'm trying to say here? Now here is a system. This one here should have some contribution for a system. Okay. Here's Microsoft did that. Here's Microsoft. If you did look for Microsoft, here's Office. Here's that bar, Office, Windows. Okay. And here's the developer bar. Where's web developer bar? Okay, Visual Studio, developer and IT. Okay, this Microsoft did that, but it's a clear they have a system. They have a system. They have a system. They have an operating system. Okay, now this person idea is now communicated with a landing page. In other words, we have a landing page to communicate this part. But be aware of the fact that we are not going to damage the audience. Okay, I have an audience for this service. Okay, they already have no idea what it is about. Okay, and so we don't put them together. Okay, and I have people here. Okay, on this part, when your caseload demands IT, this person is a help. Now I can say, okay, forget about the video now, to the point, full screen thing, forget about it, to the point. Good. This person is when your caseload demands IT. That's fair enough. He did talk here, fair enough. Here's the call to action, fair enough. Okay, now let me change these colors here so you can see it, I can see it, I can understand it. Okay, good. And here's the same, and here's arrange an appointment. I don't need this. Why the message do appear here? Why this shouldn't appear? Okay, this form here did have a situation. Okay. Oh, I'm not clicking OK. I don't. Here's OK. Name, email, and phone number. That what is I need. This is a lead for these ideas. Here's the sales matrix is being communicated. Okay. Now there's something. Here's an idea. Good. Here's an idea. I do have a page for it. Here's an idea. I do have page for it. Okay, here's an idea. I do have page for it, but I don't know what he's talking about. Like I have no content about that. Okay, it's your opinion, it's your thing. Okay. Now where to have this page? We did have a mistake also here. Let me do something. This is not page 1. This is litigation and support. Okay, page. Let me have that. Okay, this is the page title. Okay, and HTML, and okay, save it. Okay, here's this idea as being communicated alone. Now let me get back a little bit what he did. Let me show you what he did as a huge mistake. Good. Now first of all, when you look to the website, if you did watch the first video, okay, here's website service. He said support, like what support you have, but he described it litigation I don't know. I have no idea. I do read to the point this line, okay, and when this person, what I do read is this line, this website, and he's talking here. I can't see it. Why I can't see it? Because just this line. Thank you very much. This line. Now I'm out. Why would I do that? The idea that I'm going to read your presentation, you are amazing. I'm not gonna read your presentation. I just want to connect these two dots together. I have this situation, and do you solve it? Okay, he do solve it. Let's talk to the sales. Are they professional? Do they have custom? Okay, now let's hear more of them. Now let's see. Let's see that. Do I have that situation that you help with that thing? Yeah, I can fix your mind with our technology. Okay, like I have a headache, okay, and he's fixing my legs now. I have a toothache, and he's fixing my ears, okay. Now that will be something to be watched. Now who's that? D. Martin Foster Brooks. As a doctor. Yeah, in this part, like he is that. Okay, what is it? No, this is really airline. No, what is that? Dentist bar. Okay. I don't hear anything. What did happen to the sound? I don't hear anything. Okay, at some point here in this video, he described that. Now he's looking to his, yeah, he's telling him about his toothbrush, but there's no sound, and here's sound. Anyway, good. So this was the situation. Good. Now this person is okay. Now, yeah. He said, okay, why not? When you okay, so good. So he did outsource that service. Kid, like, oh, there's a presentation. I can do that. I can make money from you lawyers. Like, I don't know. I believe they are cheap. Like, they will have the training, man. Usually they call the IT as a communication bar, but with this person now, he's doing the why would you, like, here's a system. I don't understand what he's doing. I like, oh, you are on that, okay, but where's your system? Here you should have a system, and here you should have a system. Okay, now this one will not have just one hammer above his head. This one is having two hammers above his head. Okay, here's more than one mission. Okay, and he's more than one system. Okay, and he is that person in the middle. I don't know. I have no idea. Did you get what I'm trying to say? Here's somebody with a pipeline, and here's somebody with a pipeline. Okay, what do you think is left for the person who is making living here? Nothing. And here, nothing. Here is nothing, and here is nothing. Why? Because we have a forum. Okay, we already, our paperwork already on forums. Do you get the idea here? Here they will say, okay, I will have forums. The paperwork part, I will pick the phone, I will call this person and that person. Listen, I need a forum for this thing. Do you have that? Okay, here it is. I will send it to you by email. Thank you. Welcome. Do you get the idea? This one have forums. Here, this one we have themes. Good. Both. What he like? Contribution. 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 Do you get the idea? Now, why did that sound didn't appear? That was Dean Martin. Yeah, was funny. Sketch. Anyway. Yeah. Now, our friend here did have that idea. Good. Did you see where he is? He is on no system. But let me have some footer here. Let me give him a footer. What the footer that we did use? This footer. Good. Good. Now we have a marketing plan. Now this will be shared. This will be. We will do some pull marketing. Now we have some opening graph here for this thing, like the start bar. We are currently thing. Here's his opening graph. Now not opening graph. That was Google bar. Okay. Now here we have that thing. Okay, but I don't know. I have no idea what is his opening graph here without the inspect bullshit, man. Come on. I want to see this. What did you say about this location? Here is me. Who designed quality? Yeah, man, like. Did you see his metadata about this page? Degradation too. Okay, now no. No, man, that's it. Yeah, this is enough for me. Okay, while we do not provide legal advice, I would say that this was the thing. Okay, presentation, graphic presentation. See, he's in the custom bar. Okay, like he's looking for job, like anywhere. He's just looking for job in anywhere. Okay, now you insist on this message bar. He's insisting on this bar. I know I should change his email to his email. I know that. Believe me, I know that. Thank you very much. I know that. I see the email over and over. I know my mind telling me that. Good. Now, I'm sorry for all that. I'm smoking a little bit. Just a cigarette. Okay. I need this top bar, this bottom bar, and this call to action bar is so close. Here's that, and here's that. Okay. Now this call is being handled by customer service. This call is being handled by sales agent. Good. This call, the difference between this and this. This is directed to the sales agent. This is directly to the customer service. That is the difference. Okay. What is going to happen? He's going to have his name, email, and phone number, and he will here's a name and email and phone and a regional employment. Good. Now fill the part. Now just a second. Expecting part. this person here, thanks for filling out the form, please expect a phone call from this number within the next 72 hours. Like, okay, I will call you within the next 72 hours, okay, to arrange a meeting. Good, good. So I will handle his expectation from this part with this part here, this success message bar. Good, good. But not now, not now. We are not going to handle the expectation at this moment, but we are going to structure that. I'm going to show you what in my mind, that what really matter, that he doesn't have any system for this part and he didn't have any system for this part. He's being hammered in the forums and he's being hammered in the themes. Good, good. And he's going to survive within as a user, good. That is a little bit a situation, a use situation. Now we are going to help him, not just this idea, okay, there's idea and there's the improvement and there's the marketing, okay, and he said, okay, lawyers. Now he said, okay, lawyers, like he's a lawyer, okay, like oh, I want that in my neighborhood, like I want this person, I want to help this person, okay, okay. Lower, liar, lawyer, I don't know how to type. Okay, lawyer, okay, lawyer. Okay, now, okay, legal. Okay, he did one for the legal part, and in the legal part there's some systems. Okay, legal systems as a user. Okay, as a user for Microsoft. I'm a user there. Like me saying, okay, let's use Facebook and let's use Twitter. Good. These are accounts. Now let me use this draw system for you. If you get the idea here, this person is really in bad situation. Now let me legal support custom presentation thing. Okay, and it's have two part. This have two part. Have hardware and have software. Okay, and this person didn't provided any contribution here, and it have some contribution as themes. Okay, this have hardware. This is a hardware part. Okay, have a software part and as a user. Okay, have system part. For example, MetLife will have a system for custom presentation for their sales, and this team here have a custom presentation and they need a system, and have a contribution. Contribution. In other words, if you started to look for each term, forums, contribution on forums, okay, to have that. The solution is system. Like, okay, here's somebody with forum. This is the amateur. Here's the professional. He have system. We call that the systems. We get back to the software part. Okay. So if he is into that, in other words, here's somebody into the drawing part. He created this solution. Did you get the idea? Here's that thing. Okay. Good. So looking back to what we did reach, we did communicated the other idea, support service, and we did have solved the client part for him. Same story. Now this person looking for clients for this idea. Okay, when your caseload demands IT, we can help you. Okay, name, email, and request a call back. Okay, and I need to communicate that he did describe it as this. It's his words, not mine, like, because he is going to prove, like, if he did call it anything, if he did call it Mars services, okay, it's not, no, delete. If he did call it Mars services, I'm not the one who is going to, oh boy, delete. Which one? Which one? Come on, delete this one. I'm not the one. Come on, can I have a sub? Come on. Thank you. What is happening? Subball. Okay. If he is the one who is going to present this, he is the one who is going to present this, not me. Okay, let me have this. But here, why is this call to action? Request a call back, call. Okay, I did provide these buttons and arrange a meeting here. Okay, can I make this a little bit bigger? Come on, like 3. Thank you very much. I would like it more. Share this page, this person here, this idea here. Now this idea here. Access to people who can help you. Access to people who can help you. Now we didn't handle their expectation to the point with these forums. Okay. Now good. Let me draw what I did, or let me see what I did. Here's a client. Here's contact. Here's support, and here's web development. Now the contact part, we don't need that. Now let me see his contact part. Let me show you his contact part. The contact part from his side is this information here: a map, a location, and says a inquiry. If you're interested. Okay, I will build a contact. I believe here we have about us and a contact. We can have that. He's not putting his information as a map, but okay, add that to collection. He is just using a picture and his information: PO Box, Elko, Nevada. Okay, this might be good. It might be 200-898 is his phone. Yeah, it's the same number. Okay, the missing part is about us. 2 pages, 2 more pages, but to the point. Here's another why of why using a computer. Okay, for sales we have custom presentation. From the presentation we'll make money. Okay, like a little bit. It's just part of the system. Okay, if I'm interested, okay, like how to describe it: prospecting, presenting, and sale. Good. For this idea we have this tab of presentation, this content, and this content, and this content. Good. Microsoft created the Office part. Now for the lawyer's part, he said, okay, there's hardware, there's software. We can help you with that because you usually use the paper forum part. Like you use the paper forum thing. Okay. Or now let's have some IT work. He said that you have some creative PowerPoint thing. Use PowerPoint. I have no idea. Okay. Good. Now let me see what we are going to do now. Or we are just into the end of this. Yeah, we are into the end of this idea by these people here. Okay, that was the end of this idea. We have a pain when you occasionally demand information, IT people. Okay, he provided himself as a team. Okay, and with the system, and here's his presentation, I don't know, and here's the call to action to his idea, and here's the list of that part, and so on and so on. Now this is it for this person. Let me see this publish here. Yeah, publish bar. Okay, now this doesn't appear, and so on. Good. Now here, share the page. This page is being one. Okay, this one. Thank you very much for watching. We are going to do some other videos to continue with these services. with this business or firm as a website designer. He do marketing part as a virtual place, and he do the presentation. We usually in a business we do prospecting, okay, and sales, and website designer helping this part. We do presentation, and that the digitizing part, website designer do that, can do them some like for example here's a logo on your office word thing, he can do that. And we do the sales, and also we build forums for the sale. We can build the forum for the sales, okay. But prospecting, we did have a virtual place. Sales can have forum for the sales forum, okay. We have forums, we have videos, technology, and so on. Good. But our friend here decided to have lawyers as his customers. Good. And ideas people, okay. Good. Great. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure to do this hour, and we did keep the audience in the same place. Yeah, we did that. That will be interesting. Set designer. Yeah, let's take regulation and support. Oh boy, he did open something else. Okay, thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure to build this page with you. Have a great rest of the day. Have a great start of the day, and bye bye. See you at the next video.